Lamborghini guy. He's making laps. Sir, I'm going to be passing you to the right. Telepathically, I've told you if you come in my way, I'm going to hit you. You gotta blaze it just a bit to catch up to this. R6 gunning it. It's a day of celebration, man. Now we out here clowning. Up there. He's back there. I got music on. I won't be able to hear him because I turned it up pretty damn loud. Because I don't got earplugs on and this bike is loud and my ears are popped. Come on, dog. Come on, dog. Let's see if he remembers me just by being near me. I don't think he remembers me. I wanted to see this. Wait for it. Just give it time. I know what I'm doing. Actually, I really don't. That bike's gonna block me, that's the problem. Well, we saw him, we caught up to him, that was all it. I'll text him later. Now we keep riding. Well, first he needs to be out of my field of view, otherwise I can't stop my ADD, ADHD, whatever DDD brain, double D brain is not gonna forget about it. I'm gonna keep thinking about it. Because he sees the car and I was like, oh my god, do something funny! Do something funny! The car behind me was trying to speed up, so I won't get in front of it. As I was lane splitting. From my mind, I was trying to censor the word hole. I should have censored the word beep hole. You're trying to be a beep hole. Instead, I was just trying to say ass beep. That was fun though. This Beamer right here was being an ass wipe. You can go, homie. You can go. No? Alright then. I don't trust this guy because he's in a conversation. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am going to stop it right here. And until next time, this is Riding Insane. Remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. You love me. We can be a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss between the cheeks. Won't you say you love me too? But yeah, ride safe, drive safe. Subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. And I'm out. Peace.